Hi, I'm Sarah from greenpetmeds.com. Does your dog have separation anxiety? Does he have trouble riding in the car? Is he having behavioral issues? We have several products that can help with these type of problems, and I'm here to tell you about a couple of them. One is called DermaNerv. That's a liquid herbal blend that you can drop into your pet's food or water. It helps calm the nervous system of the animal. The other product that we have is called Calm, and they're treats that you can give the dog to reward him for good behavior. To learn more, check out greenpetmeds.com.